In iMovie, I had to figure out all the steps in how to take stuff from fairly large uh, files and break it up into individual files. In my case, it was a music show, and so I wanted to get the individual songs, and it was a little tricky. I just put the camera on continuous record for about 2.5 hours, and so I had all these 4 gig files. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got like 9 4 gig files, 10 4 gig files, and 1 2.5 gig files. So those are pretty big. So I just randomly am taking a file and bringing it into an iMovie project. I guess that's what it's called, a project. And then I bring it down here to the timeline and I expand it. And I'm going to break this up into individual songs. So I'm just really randomly doing this. Obviously, you're going to listen to the thing and figure out exactly where to make a break. But I put the cursor here partway along and I hit Apple B, which splits the clip. So I got a clip on the left and I got a clip on the right. This one to the left, let's say, is an individual song. So in this case, I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to click back here on this projects button on the upper left. I'll click that. It'll ask me to name it, and I'll call it Song 1. I click OK. It comes here. And then I paste down here. And there you go. I've put that individual one there. I could then come back out here. Now I have to name this. So I'll just call this Song 2. So now, in Song 1, I've got the original media here still. And in Song 2, I've got that individual clip. So let's say, I was to have split this clip, and then I came in here, and let's say I had like cut it instead, so now it's gone. And so I wanted to create another file. So I would come along here until I got to the place where there was a change. And I said, okay, right there, I'll split the clip. I come in here, I select the clip here, and I say cut. And then I come out here and I create new and I import it in. And then I come back out here and I name it Song 3. So basically I've just split this Song 1 into Song 2 and Song 3, and you can create another one from the remaining stuff. But the point is, there's this back and forth and this naming of files and creating of projects and bringing the media in, copying and pasting the media into the new files. And that's how I do it. That's how I created all of these individual Beatles songs here from the original media. I hope that helps. I don't think anybody explains it worth a damn out on YouTube, so I thought I'd go ahead and put my own patented kind of video on how to do stuff out there. So I hope it helps. You take care. Enjoy making movies.